Hi, Dennis and Lorna Raffio here from Realty Executives in the Villages. We're here today to talk about another listing that we have.
Here we are in the village of Hadley to present this 3-bedroom, 2-bath home that has a unique Florida room in the back to enjoy the Florida sunshine, and also with a 2-car garage. So let's go take a tour.
Discover your dream home in the Villages, a stunning 3-bed, 2-bath oasis with no HOA fees. A grand entrance welcomes you to the prestigious Village of Hadley community. The community is nestled beside a lush golf course with picturesque water views. This charming single-family home sits on a generously sized lot. An open concept layout creates a seamless flow from the kitchen to living spaces. The modern kitchen boasts stainless steel appliances and ample cabinetry. Polished hardwood floors extend throughout the spacious living and dining areas. Imagine relaxing in this bright living room, featuring high ceilings. The serene primary bedroom is your personal retreat. A double vanity offers plenty of personal space. Enjoy the accessible and beautifully tiled walk-in shower. An incredible walk-in closet provides amazing organization with built-in shelving. This spacious second bedroom features warm wood flooring. A third room makes for a perfect home office. The guest bathroom is both clean and functional. A dedicated laundry room adds practical everyday convenience. The well-lit 2-car garage offers fantastic storage space and protection. Dine or unwind in the beautiful sunroom with panoramic backyard views. This enclosed sunroom is perfect for enjoying Florida's sunshine all year long. Ready to make your move? Contact Dennis and Lorna Raffio with Realty Executives for expert guidance.